QBTS stock analysis tomorrow and onward. In this 1 minute video, I'm telling you whether D-Wave Quantum stock is a buy or not for me. Right, looking at this thing, like most of the tickers, it's also down, and it's down quite a bit. It's actually kind of expected because we were flying up like crazy. Generally speaking, nothing is going to stop me from still buying out, from still trying out the bullish sides in the bullish market. Although, if it does pull down and show up right here inside this demand zone and gives me the shift, then and only then I'm still going to look to take things up. But other than that, it doesn't even have to come this low. All I would really like to see, to be very frank and honest, is a proper break. You know, because again, trading ultimately comes down to two games: getting inside the trade game, managing the trade game. And here we're like literally looking for the first snapper approach, because managing the trade is far more rewarding in my eyes. And let's click QBTS. A lot of tickers here as well. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter.